Welcome to Kudoboard. Are you looking to strengthen your company culture and drive employee engagement so that your teams feel connected and thrive no matter where they're distributed? Here's how you can achieve those goals with Elevate by Kudoboard. We help you create connected cultures by celebrating all moments that matter within your teams. From milestones like employee birthdays and anniversaries, welcoming new team members, to employee shoutouts, or even organization events and team contests. Be it one-to-one recognition or one-to-many recognition, the options for how to utilize Kudoboard to bring your people together are limitless. What we've learned is that the more that employees are recognized, the happier they tend to be. Here's a demo so that you can see how it works and even sign up for a Kudoboard subscription to start improving employee happiness today. On Business, Pro, and Enterprise plans, you'll have your own site that you can sign in on. For Enterprise and Pro plans, you can log in through single sign-on to make your site even more secure. For business plans, users will log in using their email and password. You'll know you're on a business site when the URL indicates an organization's name. This is the page that users will see when they log in. Each user will have their own account within your business site. To create a Kudoboard, click Create a Board. Commonly, we see boards created across three main categories. Let's start with the first. Special occasion boards essentially replace the card that's passed around and signed. These include moments like employee birthdays, work anniversaries, welcoming new team members, get-wells, farewells, thank yous, awards, and more. For example, this board was put together by a team to help celebrate an employee's work anniversary. High-impact, quality boards like this can be created with a few simple steps. First, create the board. Enter the recipient's name, the board title, and proceed. Once you create your board, go ahead and select a background of your choice. We're always adding new art to choose from. As an admin, you can also add branded backgrounds for all users to choose from. At this point, we recommend you add a quality post before sharing the link with contributors, so that others can follow the lead of what they see. Think a post with media, as well as a thoughtful message. Add an image from our library, or a photo of your own. Embed a YouTube video, upload your own, or record one on the spot. You can also select a GIF from our library or create your own. On Enterprise and Pro plans, admins can also build out a branded media library of images and GIFs for users to upload into their posts. Nice, the board is on track to be a success. Now, you'd invite contributors via link, email, or through another channel accessible dependent on your plan type, like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Finally, schedule a delivery date for the board and enter the recipient's email. Your board will be automatically delivered on that date and at that time. Then, the recipient gets to open their virtual wall of love. But wait, there's more. Is someone going on parental leave? Do you want to send a standardized gift amount for each employee's work anniversary? You can do so by adding a gift to the board. You can allow anyone to contribute to the gift or allow only the board creator to add. When a recipient receives their Kudoboard, they get to redeem their gift from thousands of options. Admins on the account can turn gifting on or off site-wide. Lastly, for extra special milestones, think retirements, big anniversaries, new baby, etc. You may print your board as a book or poster. That's it on special occasions. Let's return to the next Elevate use case. Bring more of your team together to celebrate a company event, initiative, or campaign. Here are some examples to give you a sense for the multitude of uses available. Host fun competitions like a Halloween costume contest or a remote workstation challenge. In both of these cases, post reactions are used as votes, and colleagues can engage in the comments too. Recognize a major company milestone, like 50 years in business. In this case, embed your board in your intranet to drive participation. Oftentimes with events, one of the key features is proactive moderation, which allows new posts to be placed into a queue for the admin's approval. This is something you can turn on at any point during an event. Bring people together during an event, like one put on by an employee resource group or at a company get-together. Play the slideshow live during the occasion, show the QR code, and get people to add posts in real time. Company event boards foster wide-reaching engagement. And while they are typically internal, you can, one-off, choose to publicize the boards externally, or even invite the public to participate, like in this example that Cleveland Clinic uses to recognize caregivers with posts from the community. In order to set something like this up, you'd need to reach out to us directly. Let's return to another use case for Elevate plans. On shout-out boards, in-person and remote teams have the tools they need to build and maintain strong relationships through regular peer-to-peer recognition. Here's an example of a shout-out board where colleagues share praise with one another throughout the quarter. You can tag individuals or groups you want to shout out so they receive a notification directly. You can also hashtag your core values to affirm your unique company culture. Finally, admins on the account can access even more features in the admin panel. Here, admins can customize brand assets, review site analytics, and on Enterprise and Pro plans, they can scale their appreciation initiatives using Bulk Create and automations. Bulk Create is a major time saver. This feature allows admins to make lots of copies of the same board all at once. For example, maybe you bulk create 500 award celebration boards to recognize different recipients. Automations, on the other hand, allows admins to scale work anniversary and birthday celebrations across their companies. Admins start by creating template boards for these occasions. Then, before employees' special days, boards are automatically created to recognize them. Their peers can add to those boards before they're delivered. A business, pro, or enterprise plan from Kudoboard allows teams to connect, engage, and share authentic appreciation. If one or more of these points stuck out to you, Elevate by Kudoboard may just be the right fit.